Please advise what is it exactly that would be better to add there on the homepage. Maybe I need to add an article there, maybe just a few more tips. Let me know. And let me get you guys something to look at while I'm analyzing his homepage because, yeah, unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to show you it. Okay. So this is what his site is looking like right now, as far as what Ahrefs is showing. Let me get this off the screen for you guys. So yeah, you can see here it's actually like a super fresh site. It's only got one referring domain, 10 traffic. He was up to 160 traffic and then down to zero. But honestly, I wouldn't even really worry about that so much. It's like so little traffic at this point. It really looks like it's like one keyword. You can see those like straight up and down lines. It looks kind of like just one keyword, like it's popping on the page one or something, and then it pops down a few positions and even more. So yeah, I wouldn't even look at the traffic at this point. Just got so little going on. And yeah, I guess full disclosure, this guy is enrolled in our managed link building service. I think he just started with us, meaning we'll be building backlinks for him. Of course, they're not showing up here quite yet. I don't know if we've actually completed any for him yet, but yeah, so we'll be taking care of link building and he'll be taking care of all his content and stuff. So yeah, let's go ahead and I'm going to take a quick look at his homepage and try to give him some tips. What was his question again? Uh, what can I add to the homepage? Should I add an article on the homepage? Maybe a few tips. All right, so to answer the one part, should you add an article? My answer for that is no. I would not add an article. It's just not normal for any kind of homepage to have an article on it. Normally, the homepage for any kind of site, you're talking about your brand. I know some like affiliate sites and stuff used to try to put like an article on their homepage, especially if they're like an EMD, like bestheadphones.com, and they would just have their best headphones article on their homepage. But I think that's like extremely spammy. I'm not saying it can't work, but I think it works a lot less now than it used to. So anyway, I'd be pretty wary of putting any kind of like full article on your homepage like that. So yeah, let's see what he's got going on here. Oh, kind of a crazy niche. I've never seen this niche before. Super interesting. Um, and to be quite honest, I mean, your homepage looks pretty good to me. I mean, the homepage is generally where you tell people about what you do, right? You talk about your brand, why we do what we do, and you can link to your other pages. Um, I see a lot of pictures and some text and stuff. Okay, you do have a little call to action down here where they can like book a 30-minute call or chat or something. Um, got a little form they can fill out below. I would like to see more stuff on the home page, like that's directing them to other pages on the website. So, for example, I guess I could just use our website as an example. Um, yeah, if you go over here, let me make sure it's showing right. If you go to our website, our homepage, so right at the top, we're driving people either right at the top, it's either, you can look at our case studies so you can see that we know what we're talking about, or you can click here and go straight to our services page right at the top. And here, we've got some, customer testimonial and briefly explaining exactly what we do. And I've got a link here going to, learn more about us or, about our team or whatever. Other things we do, so here's a link to our blog, a link to our live stream, a link to just some other stuff where people can interact with us, links to individual case studies. So, really we're using the homepage as like a hub, right? To link out to a bunch of stuff. You even got like a fact down here, recent blog post, more customer testimonials, another call to action down here at the bottom. So you can really use your homepage to really try to drive traffic. But mainly what you're going to be doing is just talking about your brand and giving like the main overview of the entire site. So you can kind of think about your homepage as kind of like a menu for the entire site. Really would not try to, well, you do have an EMD, but honestly, if I were you, I can see the keyword you're trying to rank for with your EMD. I'd probably look into trying to rank an article um, instead rather than that specific page. So yeah, just use it as a hub page. Don't do an article and use it to link out to a bunch of stuff where you want to drive traffic and just talk about your brand, what you do, and link elsewhere. Hopefully that helps. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Be sure to check the links below for more info on this topic, as well as other cool stuff like SEO case studies, our Facebook community, and our link building services. And like always, please like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Thanks, and happy ranking.